Loaded fries. All right, guys, so this is some of the stuff you'll need. All this stuff is going to be in the description box below. Let's wash our hands, wash our potatoes, peel and chop them. And then we're going to get ready to season them. So you can use whatever spices you like. These are the spices I use. Make sure to preheat that oven before your hands get dirty, though, because you're going to use a little bit of grapeseed oil to massage all this spice inside of your fries. And make sure you lay that parchment paper down, too, because we're going to lay these fries onto the parchment paper so they can get ready to bake. Now, guys, I have other great lentil recipe videos on my YouTube channel, so don't forget to subscribe. This is just another addition. I should just make a lentil series already. Lentils are super cheap and they're really good for you, have tons of iron. So I like to just keep it simple and make different things out of similar ingredients. So this is something I came up with just to kind of like enjoy with the fam during this quarantine time. But yeah, you pretty much are going to spice up your lentil taco meat with some flavors such as paprika, cumin, also some peppers, onions, and garlic. You actually need more peppers for this recipe that's shown on the screen, but all that's going to be in the details below. That's just kind of all I had at the moment. But yeah, so we're going to chop all this up and put these green onions to the side. We'll use that last. Once we assemble everything, we're going to get ready to saute everything so that we can flavor our lentils. Make sure to drain any water out. And then you're going to go ahead and grab another pan and use a little bit of grapeseed oil so that we can add the onions, garlic, and then finally we'll add the peppers as well as the lentils. And then slowly add in the tomato paste and the rest of the spices so that we can really make this into a nice meaty meat sauce. Replacing the lentils pretty much with the ground beef is what we're doing here. And then finally, once our potatoes are golden brown, we are going to place the taco meat on top. Keep the oven on because you're going to put this back in the oven. We're now going to top it with the vegan cheese. You can use a cashew vegan cheese if you don't want to use any processed. Let this cheese melt and then sprinkle with that lovely green onion. Enjoy this, guys, with your family. Let us know what you think. We hope that you enjoy these recipes from our kitchen to yours. Have a beautiful day and continue to follow your nature. Peace.